Hello and welcome to my channel Think Sci-Fi. Today we will learn this beautiful sci-fi animation. Press A and delete for clearing Blender environment. Then add UV sphere by pressing Shift A. Press Tab key for going to edit mode and press the action key above the Tab key and select front view. Go to the wireframe view, then select the half UV sphere. Press X and select face. Again press Tab key for going back to the object mode and add a empty by pressing Shift A. Go to the modifier setting and add ray modifier. Uncheck the relative offset and check the object offset and select empty here. Then click on empty and click S on the keyboard and scale the UV sphere. Give a 20 counts. Add a build modifier. Now when you press the play button on your timeline, you will observe that the UV sphere started building. Stay on the middle of the timeline and go to the build modifier and check random. It will build your object randomly, not in a fixed style. Now move the cursor in the timeline and choose which suits your style. You can also make changes in the seed. We will add one more modifier, solidify, and add some thickness to it. Now we will export it in a FBX format. Close this Blender and open a new one. Again press A and delete for clearing the environment. Go to the file, import FBX and choose your file where you save it. Press Shift A and add a UV sphere. Click on move icon and adjust it little bit upward. Then mouse left click and set smooth. Now we have to add settings. So go to the setting menu, click on new and add a mix shader by pressing Shift A. Again press Shift A and search transparent BSDF and connect it with mix shader. Now add a color wrap to the mix shader. Then search a magic texture and press Ctrl T if you enable Node Wrangler. Otherwise you can add mapping and texture coordinate manually. Connect texture coordinate object to the mapping vector. Connect magic texture to the color wrap. Then select constant in color wrap and move the cursor in color wrap little bit. You can create your own style by playing with the settings of magic texture. If you are using EV engine, then for transparent you have to go to the material setting and go to the blend mode and select alpha blend or alpha hash there. If you want to achieve my look, then you can use my setting. Go to the layout menu. Here we have done the job 50%. Now press Shift A and add a point light and set it inside the sphere and increase the power of light. Go to the render setting and turn on all the three options. Add one more point light and set it under the sphere. Click on the first point light and choose your color. I am selecting pink here. I am giving the same pink color to the second point light also. From now, only lighting will make your animation great. We have to add some more point lights here and adjust it to the object and adjust it with the help of move tool. Before adjusting the light, go to the environment setting and turn the environment completely black. Go to the light and adjust it with the help of move tool according to your style. You have to give some time to the light setting so that your animation comes good. You have to adjust the power color of your light setting according to me or according to your style. I am giving blue color to this light. Then pressing Shift D for making duplicates of it and adjusting it to the object. I am making many duplicates of light and adjusting it on the object. I want pink in the middle portion, so I am adding pink color to the light which I have added by pressing Shift D. For the great look of your animation, you have to spend some time on the lighting setting. If you are not following me on Instagram, please follow me. I have created an account on Instagram also and post something new and creative on a daily basis. And if you want to download my projects, then you can go to my Shutterstock portfolio. In Shutterstock, I have uploaded many more projects which you can easily use in your own project. All the links are provided in the description. If you have adjusted the light, then press Shift A and add camera to it. I am telling you first the camera's hotkey or shortcut so that you do not get confused. If you press G on the keyboard and move your mouse, then the camera will move according to your mouse. And second setting, if you press G on the keyboard and middle mouse button, Move your mouse, then camera will only zoom in and zoom out. Now you can also use these two settings and adjust your camera like me. One more setting, if you press num key 0, then it will take you to the camera view, and if you again press num key 0, it will take you out from the camera view. And still if you are getting confused, then you can adjust camera from there also. And if you are comfortable in Hindi, then the same tutorial is available in Hindi also. For Hindi tutorial, check the I button. I am rotating the camera on the Y axis so that the animation looks something interesting. By pressing 0, you can go to the camera view and come out from the camera view. So always check without camera view which angle looks good. And if you like some angle without camera view, then adjusting the camera to that view, you have to press Ctrl Alt 0. You will see your camera will adjust on that angle automatically. Now click on that sci-fi object, press Ctrl A and select rotation. We will create 120 frame animation on the timeline. For that, go to the 0 on the timeline and enter keyframe to the Z axis. To the last frame of the timeline and enter 180 on the Z axis and close the keyframe. If you want to rotate your light according to your sci-fi object, then click on the sci-fi object and press and hold Ctrl and select the light which you want to rotate with it. After selecting all the light, press Ctrl P on the keyboard and select object. Now you have done. The light will automatically move according to the sci-fi object. See whether you are satisfying with your settings or not. I am making some changes to the light setting. You can also make changes if you want. Now we have to save the animation. For that, go to the printer icon and select your location in the output, then follow my settings. Only in the output quality you have to select according to your computer, high quality or lossless. Then render animation. Thank you for watching. If you like the animation, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. And if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section.